How to fix Discord mic not working. If you are having issues with your Discord mic, then follow these steps. Firstly, open the Discord app or open Discord on your web browser. Once you have done that, then you will land to this kind of interface. At the bottom left corner, you will see your profile, and on the right side of your profile, you will see a mic, headphone and a setting gear icon. Click on User Settings. Now in your settings, if you scroll down on the left panel, you will see the option Voice and Video. Click on Voice and Video. Now make sure you allow microphone. Once you have done that, then you will see two sections, input device and output device. If you have connected any sort of mic, then click on the input device and select the mic. If not, you can just use your PC mic. Once you have done that, then you can test your mic. Under the section Mic Test, click on Let's Check. Once you click on Let's Check, then start speaking on your mic. If you see a wave of colors right here, then that means that your mic is working. If this is not working, then go to Settings on your device. In your settings, go to the option Privacy and Security. Here look for the option Microphone. Here you will see apps that have access to microphone. If you are using your web browser, then make sure that you have given access to microphone. And if you are using Discord app, then make sure to check for microphone access for the app too. That's all for today. Thank you.